we go.
What?
I said, there we go. Look at that cool whale pool. I was just relaxing in it. Kenzie! Kenzie May! What you doing?
She's the birthday girl today, right?
No, yesterday.
That was yesterday?
Yep.
And now she's not the birthday girl anymore?
Not anymore.
I'll be the birthday boy on my birthday.
I guess you will.
Right?
Yep. I think that whale squirts out water.
Mom, just so you know, when my hand is floating and I'm by the water sprinkles, it's really getting my hand when it's up.
Oh, yeah?
Then it's my arm, then I land.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it now.